Welcome to the step 5 of the solar system activity. In this step, we are just going to make our solar system look more like it's inside a universe, right? So in our universe, we have galaxies, we have lots of stars, there's lots of things present in the background of the space, right? So we are going to use these blocks that says add stars. Let's drag this block out and place it here. This is going to add stars to your background. Now you see the background is blue, but we know that our space is black. So we can change the background color using the set background color block. Also, if you want, you can add background images of different galaxies in your solar system. So I'm going to use this set background image block. And if you click on the drop down here, you will be able to select from different background images. So I'm going to keep this background image for now. And once your code is done, once your changes are done, then you can click on the green play button. And you will see that we have a new solar system here, right? We have the moon moving around the earth. We have the earth moving around the sun. We have stars in the background, and we have this cool looking galaxy in the background as well. Okay, awesome. Let's move to the next step.